This is a KTM 790 Adventure, 2019 year, stock exhaust. Alright, so I've got the stock exhaust off and just the straight pipe from the Doberman exhaust on there. As you can see, the cat is still on the bike, but I thought I would take this opportunity to thrill you with the sound of a straight piped 790. Now that is a sound. Oh, that actually hurt my ears. New exhaust is on. DB killer is still installed. This is what they mean by variable. They've got this other screw here that you can take out and unplug this portion. So then you'll have a more clear path through once that plug is gone. So I'm going to try that next and leave this in with that plug removed. So this will be level 2. Definitely getting a lot more wind out of it. Blasts and puffs of exhaust air. Alright, let's yank out the last piece and see what it sounds like. That is as free flowing as this can get. Let's see what it sounds like. Whoa, that is noticeably different. That is a purr. sure like the sound of that. This actually isn't getting very hot on the outside either. That's very impressive. It's hot up here. Well, let's set it up for a flyby run like I did with the stock exhaust to see the difference. Here I am out on the road with my new Doberman exhaust. Loving it. Listen to this thing. Sorry about the wind noise. Is that not the most perfect exhaust note you've ever heard? Doberman, your bark is lovely. I'm sold. It's exactly how I pictured this bike sounding.